ladies and gentlemen, today the wait is over as we bring you the full user experience and the review of Dell Inspiron Laptop 3542. If you haven't already watched the unboxing video, then you should definitely check it out. Links will be provided in the description down below. Let us quickly begin with and push aside the specs that this has to offer. For exactly rupees 40,000 or $588, this laptop offers a quad-core Core i5 processor, which is clocked at 1.7, goes up to 2.7 GHz. Also, this has got a 4 GB of RAM, an Intel HD 4400 and an Nvidia 820 GPU. Talking about the display, this laptop offers a good multimedia focused 15.6-inch HD display. The point to note here is that it's not anti-glare and the brightness is just average. Although the color reproduction and image sharpness are up to the mark. You will definitely enjoy games and movies on this laptop for sure. Let us talk about design now. It has got a flat rectangular design with the sharp corners which may feel uncomfortable. When you put the laptop on the top of your lap, the corners will kind of pinch into your thighs, making it feel very comfortable, and you will not like the experience at all. The corners could have been more rounded up so that it feels a little bit more comfortable in the laps. The top of the laptop is a textured finished plastic which does not really appeal, at least to me, in the complete black color. The touchpad in particular isn't very smooth as well, and it also lacks any visual separation between the touchpad and the keys. So design in all is a very big con for this laptop. For 40,000 rupees you are not really getting a premium looking laptop and does not appeal at all. So let us talk about the performance and software of this laptop. Considering the performance, it's again a mixed bag of arguments. It does have its occasional lags and stutters in the normal Windows operation, but then again it's Windows 8.1 to be blamed, not Dell. I'll recommend you to upgrade it to Windows 10 as soon as you get it, because that will save you from a lot of lags and delays and stutters that the Windows 8.1 suffers from. But here's something that you can blame Dell too for: the bloatware. There's a tons of bloatware in this laptop. Dell has pre-installed a lot of apps related to the laptop that take up a lot of space and even slow down your laptop in some cases. Thankfully it's Windows, so these apps are easily removable, and I advise you to remove them as soon as you get it. Now let us talk about the most interesting part, that is gaming. Gaming on the other hand is a breeze in this laptop. Most low demanding games like FIFA or the NFS Most Wanted run great at maximum settings with the highest possible resolution, and higher demanding games also fade out at low or medium settings at 720p. Thanks to the Nvidia 820M, games are not a problem with this laptop. We've even tested high-end games like Far Cry 3, 4, Fallout 3, Fallout 4, etc. Now let me tell you for how long this device can entertain you for. With moderate use like some internet surfing, Facebook and YouTube, with some games and some editing, it can easily last you for around 6 hours. But if you do hardcore gaming like playing high-end games like Far Cry 4 and Fallout 4 and do long gameplays like for 2 or 3 hours, then battery may die out in just around 4 hours. Talking about the charging time, it takes around 2 to 2.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100 completely. I will conclude by saying that Dell is a good one in itself if you don't mind having an unattractive design for the price you pay, and you should definitely upgrade it to Windows 10 ASAP. But if you consider any other brands though, then you should definitely check out HP, as it offers better design and more features for the same price bracket. But if Dell is your case, then you should definitely buy this one, as this has the Core i5 processor and the 820M which perform really well. Also the RAM is upgradable to 8 GB. If you have any doubts or queries related to this laptop, then definitely ask us in the comment section below. ATS signing out. Peace.